Good morning, guys. So as promised, I am going to do a demo of my new favorite hairdryer in action this morning so you can see how it works and see that for me, it really is just an all-in-one start to finish tool. I'm just putting a little bit of this. This is the Oil in Cream from L'Oreal. This actually is in our latest video. It's on our channel that went up today of our favorite hair products. So that's timed really nicely along with this review of the hairdryer. And if you want to see more of my thoughts on the hairdryer, it is saved in our Instagram stories, and I will link our Instagram account down below. So my hair drying technique is nothing fancy, but I have a lot of hair, so I always start by piling the top half of my hair up on my head, and then I dry it in sections. So I'm just gonna jump on into drying my hair. I'll speed this up. Nobody wants to sit through 15 minutes of hair drying. But so you can see how it works and see the technique that I think works the best. Yes, you could just comb through your hair with this and it would get dry. But if you want the volume, I'll show you what I do to get that. And there you have it, 15 minutes start to finish, and my hair is done. A couple comments. One, I obviously do not have perfect blow drying technique, and you don't need to. I think the most important thing is getting up underneath your hair and then just kind of pulling and turning to get that movement in your hair, which is what I really like, that just the ends are, you know, not stick straight. The other thing that I will say about this, and it's the one con about this hairdryer, is that because it doesn't have a blast of air, it's really hard to get your roots completely dry. So now that my hair is dry, I do typically kind of just run back through it, making sure, because I can tell that there's a couple areas that aren't as dry as I would like them to be. And so I'll typically just kind of comb quickly through my hair, getting as close to the roots as I can to make sure that it's completely dry all over. But again, this is the Revlon one-step volumizing hairdryer. I will leave a link down below. As of right this minute, it is currently on sale, so grab it while you can. It's on Amazon, it's in stores. I think it's the greatest thing ever, and I own a couple big fancy expensive hairdryers, and this blows them out of the water. This is not sponsored, you guys, but that's my thoughts. Love the hairdryer. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys.